Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Easy to Learn Tech. Today I will try to show you an app in which you can use multiple app like WhatsApp, Facebook, WeChat, IMO. Whichever app you have to use more than one, you can download this app you can use in the same mobile. Let's go and see how to install and how to use this app. Let's go to Play Store. Then we click on the search. Right over here parallel space. Then you can see the icon over here and it's written over here parallel space. Let's download it first. See here it's written waiting for download. It's getting download now. Let's wait for a few seconds. It's download now, it's installing. Again we have to wait for a few seconds. And you can see the app is download now. We can open the app, but I will not open from here. I will show you the logo of parallel space. See here it's written over parallel space. Our app is downloaded now and installed. It's ready to use. Let's open the app and see. Here they'll give all the specification, welcome notes for the parallel space. Let's go continue. Then we have to allow one by one all. And there are some graphic which is showing how we can use and what we can use in this app. Let's start now. From this chart it's showing what we can download, what we can use in this app. I allow minimum 5 apps to install in this clone app. Now it's asking permission. Let's accept the permission. Now you can see we have IMO, WhatsApp, YouTube, Gmail and WeChat. If we are going to use any social media like IMO, WhatsApp, Facebook or something like that, we have to install one more 64-byte supporter for this. See, as it is asking over here, your WhatsApp is for 64-byte. It works only if you have installed parallel space 64-byte supporter. Please go install parallel space 64-byte supporter. I have to install that one. Again we have to go Play Store, install parallel space 64-byte supporter. Now it's installed now. And you can see the icon over here, parallel space 64-byte. Again we have to go to the parallel space, the main app, and here we have to click WhatsApp, and here is asking for the permission for the storage, telephone and location. Let us grant it. And now it's asking the access for the 64-byte what we have downloaded previous app. Allow. And again it's asking the to manage phone call and all from 64-byte supporter. Allow. Again for the location we have to allow. Now see the cloning app is cloning a WhatsApp over here. Now you can see as we use in the simple mobile, it show the same welcome to WhatsApp. We have to now log in, agree and continue, and it's asking for the mobile number. Let's put the mobile number, and it's asking for the verification code. Okay, let's wait for the verification code. You can see the verification code is here. Now see it's verifying the WhatsApp. Yes, Google backup and all. Continue the access contact. You can write your name. I will write my channel name Easy to Learn Tech. Next, initializing WhatsApp. Now you can see my cloning app is ready over here. This is one WhatsApp what I am using. This is the one WhatsApp what I have created in clone app, parallel space app. You can see here now automatically it will go to the home page of the WhatsApp. Let's take one number. I see here. Now we have using in the parallel space. Now we are using one in the parallel space, and I have another WhatsApp over here. You can see here Another WhatsApp is here, which is on my mobile, and this is the parallel space where I'm using the another account. Thank you for watching my videos. Please like, share and subscribe.